Here we are on Fuller Terrace. We're going to Ron and Rexanne's big mutual retirement party. Ron's birthday party and Rexanne's birthday party. Approaching Ron and Rexanne's now. Just around the corner. Here's their house. I think I'm a little early. Not as early as I thought. Shiva lives here too. Lots of neat food. And here's part of the garden.
Rexanne's got the flower thing going, here. She gets all the shade because of all the trees.
Oh, yeah.
And so it's pretty much a shade garden.
And the greenhouse, which will be the smoker's corner tonight, I think. Rexanne is hard at work. She doesn't know I'm filming her. Ron has quite a bonsai collection. He spends a lot of time at it. Must be dozens and dozens. There's another one. Second. And there's even more bonsai. They're everywhere. Another group. And even more. Greenhouse has been set up for visitors. Quite comfortable looking. The beautiful growth of Solomon seal. Rexanne is giving a tour of the garden. And here's Jerry. We've been talking about bees, humanity, and the fate of the earth. Steve is arriving.
Yeah. Got a new skylight. Roof hatch. Few improvements.
I just love the space.
Ron is going to do a garden tour. There they go for the garden tour. Or else they're going to the shed. They're going to the greenhouse. No, they're going to see the berries. He is doing a bonsai tour.
That was not too old. I just got that one.
It's not just the kitchen party. It's all over the house.